Here's a key fob for your Toyota Highlander. Let's go ahead and first press this button and get the physical key out. And now we need to put the key right in that slot over there. Once you get that edge of the key in that slot, give it a firm twist, and that's going to help you open up this key fob. Put it right there. See the way I'm doing it, and then give it a firm twist. And there you go. The key fob is now open. Let's set this aside. That's the part with the battery. Get it out. This other part, do not turn it upside down because the buttons inside may just fall off and you don't want that extra work to put it back in. Now we need to put this edge of the key right over there in that little slot, that little gap there, and then pry the battery out. Just do it the way I'm showing and the battery will come out, or else you'll be spending a good 20-30 seconds trying to pop the battery off. Right there, that edge goes right over there. The battery side is CR2032. The positive side has markings on it, negative side has no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then put it back in with the positive side facing upwards. Get it in position, press it down to secure it. Now just for curiosity, that's where the white rubber seal goes in. The buttons should stay in place, but over time they just get loose and just falls off, so just avoid turning it upside down, or else you'll have to be spending a few minutes putting it back in. Now with the seal in place, put this part with the battery back in its place over there. Make sure it sits in properly. Now let's get this cover on, press it together to secure it. Put the physical key back in and try it out. Unlock's working fine, and so is the lock button. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.